I was cutting the grass and the deck belt snapped, so I'm about to put on a new one. For the 2009 RZT-50, you're going to go with a 50-inch deck belt for 954-04044, or an equivalent belt. Since the deck belt snapped, we don't need to worry about removing it from the back pulley. We do want to drop the deck into its lowest position, and then on each side there's a pin we just want to pull out to disconnect the deck itself. There's one, and here's the other one. That's it. And now we just want to roll the deck forward to unhook it from the front bracket. And now we should be able to just slide it out. You cannot thread the new belt on because of this little metal tab here that actually holds the belt on. So you're going to use a 14 millimeter socket, and I'm going to use an impact driver and remove this pulley so that I can put the new belt on. It was just spinning, so I will need to put a crescent wrench, a 14 millimeter, on the bottom to hold it steady. I just can't film it with two hands. With that pulley loosened up, you can put on the new belt, and I just want you to make sure there is a washer top and bottom of this pulley. So when you reassemble it, just make sure you put the washer in the right location. All right, so now reversing the process, you thread your belt around the pulleys. Once you get it around this pulley, you're just going to use that 14 millimeter, then torque this one down. Now you can see that it's inside that tab. And you really are just going to follow the decal, and if you don't have a decal, take a look. Here you go. Now we're ready to slide the deck back under the mower, reconnect those pins, and then pull the back of that belt to the rear pulley. And I'll show you how to do that now. So we're going to push the deck back underneath the mower. We'll hook up that front bracket first, and then reconnect our rear pins. Once everything's hooked back up, it should look something like this on both sides. Now, you're ready to pull the belt back and hook it up, but don't do that until you confirm that the belt is properly threaded through all your pulleys, including the one underneath here. Since I'm not strong enough to just pull that belt back and loop it over the pulley, I am using a strap, and I've got it on this tensioner pulley. I've actually got it hooked around the arm. I'm going to pull that back and loosen that tensioner pulley, and then I'll put the belt back on that rear pulley. I am using thick gloves for this so I don't destroy my fingers. That was tough. That's it. So with the new belt around that drive pulley right there, you're ready to rock and roll.